was forever, ever holding, never mind. Oh,
Hello. I welcome you all to Soul Stereo. कैसे हैं आप लोग? It's been a while, right? I did not post anything. So I welcome you all my new joiners. Thank you so much for all your love, your little support that you're rendering. और मेरे old joiners, thank you. I love you all to bits. I hope आप सब safe हैं. Your loved ones are safe. Just be very careful because COVID is actually getting a little tricky, right? Across part of the world. So आज हम आपकी reading करने वाले हैं, which would be by the way reading #BDW. Okay, which is basically about the daily guidance for the upcoming hours. आपकी supporting energies क्या हैं, आपको what are the angels advising you, okay, and also what are your spirit guides trying to communicate to you, what is it you need to focus upon, what's rising up in you. और tarot guidance हम pull करते हैं. तो I was in the morning I was taking a round in the park and I received a feather. And you know how feathers they kind of communicate because they're like messengers from the heavenly realms, right? Because obviously how would you receive signs? आपको signs और syncs कैसे मिलेंगे? ये indirect mediums होते हैं जिनके through वो communicate करते हैं और आपको बताते हैं there is hope, there is happiness, there is peace, there is serenity, and good things are about to come. So this is from the Dove family that I received, which is about hope, which is about happiness. So I think जो आज की रीडिंग है इट्स मोर अबाउट होप, इट्स मोर अबाउट हैप्पीनेस. सो आई सेंड यू दैट ऑल द होप, ऑल द हैप्पीनेस टू यू. एंड नॉर्मली मैं एंजल कार्ड्स और फादर, लविंग वर्ड्स और फादर जो है वो निकाल देती हूँ पहले सेज करके कलेक्टिवली, बट मैंने कहा आज हम इसको आपके साथ ही कर लेते हैं. सो आई एम डूइंग इट राइट अवे. एंड अगर ये आपके साथ रेजोनेट करता है तो डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल और घंटी जरूर दबाइए सो दैट व्हेन द नेक्स्ट रीडिंग इज अपलोडेड, राइट? And chaliye, let's do your reading. Show me the messages, Michael. I need to see the soul tribe that's watching. #BDW. By the way, reading their day-to-day guidance, their upcoming energies. What do they need to pay attention at? Blueberry. Show me the messages. So they are my spirit guides, okay, who talk to me. We have Archangel Michael with us and Blueberry. So let's see what are the messages that we need to see from the angel cards. Somebody did message me saying that how should we call you out, आपका नाम कैसे लें, हम सोल बुलाएं, आपको क्या बुलाएं. So I said you can call me Shivi. That's how people call me, Shivi or Noor. So yeah, so we have Archangel Raphael. So it's really about the heart chakra. It's about opening to giving and receiving love. That is what the messages are essentially about. And let's see कि दूसरे मैसेज का है. आर्कएंजल रेजियल we have. It's about following your intuition. It's about being adventurous. It's like that fool energy, that you're willing to take chances, you want to try new things. So with Archangel Raphael, Archangel Raziel, we have that your possibilities are endless. You have a lot of potential. और somewhere down the line they're saying just trust your instinct. आपका intuition बात कर रहा है. और ये जो lunar eclipse अभी हुआ है with the full moon in Sagittarius has been wonderful because it was very powerful. और आप लोगों ने अगर इन कैप्सूल रीडिंग नहीं देखा और अपने साइंस की रीडिंग नहीं देखी है तो प्लीज़ ज़रूर देखिएगा बिकॉज दैट वुड रियली शेड अ लाइट ऑन इट. ओके, सो इसको हम डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं. पहले हम आपके स्पिरिट गाइड मैसेजेस निकालेंगे एज टू व्हाट दे आर ट्राइंग टू टॉक टू यू. जिस भी डीटी में मानते हैं, काना में, शिव में, नानक में, एंजल्स में, गाइड्स में, मेंटोर्स में, जो भी, आई एम श्योर यू माइट सम ऑफ यू वुड बी लाइट वर्कर्स योरसेल्फ, हीलर्स हो सकते हैं आप लोग. सो इट्स मोर अबाउट बैलेंसिंग योर कर्मा. आई थिंक दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ वाइब आई गेट. So they've asked me to stop. Some of the messages I need to see for my soul tribe. #BDW Spirit guys. What are the messages, Blueberry Michael? What do we need to see, Raphael? What do we need to see for these guys? Yeah, so it's also, like I said, it's about balancing the karma, and that only happens when you pray and you set your actions right? So वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. And again, holy amethyst. So it's about divine alchemy. It's about saying the same thing. And we have Radhaji, the soul flame. Okay, so could be like a soulmate, twin flame kind of vibe coming around. In fact, I've done a reading for the same. Do watch that. I'm going to pin it. It is about rediscovering a part of yourself and finding harmony and healing within you. So कोई और आकर आपको वो चीज़ नहीं देगा कि आप कहें कि मेरी रिलेशनशिप कंप्लीट होती है बिकॉज यू आर देयर विद मी. नो, it doesn't work like that. So let's begin with your message from Archangel Raphael. He says that your possibilities are endless. You believe in unlimited potential and you have that creative streak to yourself. You fully embrace extraordinary wealth and your heart is open to giving and receiving love. So Archangel Raphael is reminding you that please do not give in. They are saying that awaken your consciousness, know your true potential. They are saying that अगर आप चीज़ों को एक better perspective से देखना शुरू करेंगे, you will have increased self knowledge and you would know what you're supposed to do in the time, whether it's in regard to your professional relationship, it's in regard to your personal relationship. They're just reminding you that your possibilities are endless. It's also about finding inner peace in the COVID times. It's about not getting affected by all that is happening around, because of course it's raining and of course we guys are suffering, right? But it's also about the fact that move beyond the ordinary. Don't just see what sucks you out. Try to see the good side of life too. That is what Raphael is saying, that work on your heart chakra. That's extremely important. Okay. And with Archangel Raziel here, we have that you see through appearances bravely and you follow your intuition. So yes, your intuition is on point, right? Do not ignore it. Stay grounded. Stay focused and connect with Mother Gaia more, because that would really bring about a lot of stability. And you're ready to take those new chances that you have to take, okay? So they're saying that you are aware of what is happening around you and why it is happening around you. Now they're saying that take some time out to reflect inside. अपने अंदर देखिए, झांकिए, to figure out as to why certain things are happening around you, why people are behaving the way they're behaving to you, or why certain things are not working out as per your understanding. So they're saying that trust your intuition. Do not get confused by it, because your intuition is really guiding you right. With holy alchemy, it is that you have to move beyond the current challenges. You have to have that clarity, that सेंस ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट जो कुछ भी हो रहा है आपके इर्द गिर्द वो डिवाइन आल्कमी में हो रहा है, उस ऑर्डर में हो रहा है जो डिवाइन अप्रूव कर रहा है. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू फोकस ऑन व्हाट यू वांट. Keep manifesting, okay? This new moon, do manifest and manifest right, so that you can invite in what you wanting, right? और अपना इंटेंट क्लियर रखिए. और जब आप अपनी प्रेयर्स कहते हैं तो उसमें ग्रैटिट्यूड के साथ साथ इंश्योर दैट यू से दैट आई एम एक्सेप्टिंग एवरीथिंग विच इज़ कमिंग इन डिवाइन alchemy. Okay, so this is what they're suggesting. And please have a look. If you have an amethyst crystal, you can kind of use it to your advantage and keep it, because it would help you to move beyond the energies and situations that are not serving you, जो आपके काम की नहीं है, आप उनसे आगे बढ़ जाएंगे. And they're saying that it's very important to clear things out. clutter मत रखिए अपने माइंड में, अपने घरों में, अपने दिलों में. Just remove all the clutter you don't want, whether it's emotionally or physically. Also they're saying that it's important to recognize that you're the magician as well. So जिस तरफ आप अपना इंटेंट सेट करेंगे वो चीज़ें आपकी तरफ डेफिनेटली बढ़ेंगी. So it's an opportunity. It's an opportunity to manifest your dreams into reality. Okay, so you can call upon Holy Amethyst and tell her, to give you the clarity and the sense of purpose, so that you can seal the opportunities that are coming your way and turn them into gold for you. Okay, and with Radhaji here, it's about that knowing your worth. It's about understanding that nobody completes you. Okay, whether it's a relationship, whether एनी डायनेमिक, कोई आपको कंप्लीट नहीं करता है. अगर आप खुद में संपूर्ण हैं, योर मैस्कुलिन एंड फेमिनिन साइड्स आर बैलेंस्ड, सो यू आर वेरी एट ईज विद योर सेल्फ, राइट? So basically, she is a Hindu goddess. Those who don't know, I'm just telling you that she's a Hindu goddess, and she is the counterpart or the twin flame of Krishna. Okay, so she is a divine feminine, the epitome. And it is about the Shakti, the divine feminine, that shows, right, with Shiv. So she's a universal life force. Without the female, the male cannot be created. So know yourself, know you, don't undermine yourself, guys, okay? And मुझे लगता है कि कोई someone is sitting, and is probably, right now doing bit of gardening or something like that. प्लीज़ ये अगर आप मैसेज सुन रहे हैं तो ध्यान दीजिए दैट यू एक्सट्रीमली पावरफुल, यू वेरी प्रिटी, यू वेरी एरोगेंट. सेल्फ डाउट में मत रहिए प्लीज़. नो योर सेल्फ वर्थ. ओके, सो वंस यू एम्बॉडी द राधा इन यू, आप एक लविंग यूनियन मैनिफेस्ट करती हैं, आप कनेक्शंस मैनिफेस्ट करती हैं, हार्मनी मैनिफेस्ट करती हैं, एंड ओनली यू कैन डू इट बिकॉज यू आर ऑपरेटिंग फ्रॉम द space of love, right? So they're basically saying that sorry, instead of looking around, say the sensual aspects, the sexual aspects, they're saying look deep within. And जब आप अंदर देखेंगे and you will figure certain things out, you know that there are so many opportunities to love, there are so many ways to love, there are so many ways to express love, right? And it's about inviting divine love. This is divine love. This is above 3D dynamic. This is divine love. This is Shakti presence, So awaken this energy in you and see how your game changes. For some, I think people who are on this soulmate or twin flame journey, this message is definitely for you. And could be, when we take out the messages today, we're going to see that because this was about hope, happiness. So जो channeled हमारे love messages आ रहे हैं, वो ऑफ कोर्स आप देखेंगे ट्विन फ्लेम सोलमेट रीडिंग में जो करंट एनर्जीज में आई एम गोना अपलोड, वो ज़रूर वॉच करिएगा, ओके, विद दिस रीडिंग. सो लेट्स पुल आउट द टेरो गाइडेंस एंड देन वी क्लोज द रीडिंग विद द लविंग वर्ड्स ऑफ फादर. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द टेरो एडवाइजिंग, व्हाट आर द करंट एनर्जीज, सपोर्टिंग एनर्जीज कमिंग योर वे फॉर द upcoming days. So this reading is timeless, keep that in mind. So जब भी आप ये रीडिंग देखते हैं, this reading is for you. If the title attracts to you, there's obviously something in this reading for you, okay? Universe doesn't have a clock, right? So you can tell me, yeah, Shivi, I saw it, it worked, and do let me know, okay? By liking, by subscribing, by commenting, that really makes a difference, guys. Everyone is trying, right? Everyone is putting in their best, so it won't take much of your time. If you like the channel, you'll subscribe to the channel. It would give me a boost, to keep doing what I'm doing with so much of love and so much of honesty, right? So let's see. Michael, show me the messages, blueberry. और अगर ये आपको bother कर रहा है तो you can put it on mute. But this is the right way to do it. I just can't manipulate the reading and twist it for goodness sake. I can't do that. Show me the messages, Michael. I need to see blueberry. It's asking me to stop. Blueberry, Michael, show me the messages. I need to see. What do I need to see for the soul tribe watching? Those who are resonating, उनके लिए क्या मैसेजेस है? व्हाट आर द अपकमिंग एनर्जीज, द सोल ट्राइब वाचिंग, व्हाट डू दे नीड टू सी? Yeah, see, we have the strength card, so it's definitely maybe a Leo, right? Yeah, I only see Leo with strength here, honestly. I don't see any other card. But this is strong Leo energy, okay? And Leos are actually playing around a lot. Playing as in like the energy is playing. The Leo energy is really playing, okay? And with the Three of Wands, it's about, ask and you shall receive. So start manifesting. That is what Holy Amethyst is here for. Keep in view, Holy Amethyst इसीलिए है यहाँ पर कि ask and you shall receive. That's what Archangel Raphael and Raziel are also telling you, that your consciousness is awake. You have unlimited potential. You just need to trust and believe in it. With Radha here saying the same thing, that see through the illusions. Okay, oh, this guy loves me, or that girl loves me, this woman is for me, that man is for me. No. You're complete within you. And you're ready to try new things. Things that are not serving you anymore. You're saying tata, bye bye. Okay, I don't need them. I don't need you anymore. So ask and you shall receive. That's what they're saying. But you need to know what you're asking, how you're asking. That's extremely important. We have a devil at the end, which is like temptation, but we're not going there, right? Justice. So this is about balancing the scales. It's like Libran energy, right? It's also like a little sad that I see. So it's about balancing those scales that are not set right. So with Radhaji here, Holy Amethyst here, it's about moving beyond the challenges. Whatever was not working out, maybe in your relationship, in your career front, whichever dynamic you want to fix it, guys. It's a free reading. So जो कुछ भी सही नहीं था ना, justice is here. So it's about to happen, और ये होने वाला है. And I personally feel it's more to do with your love dynamic. It's to do with the professional dynamic, that something didn't go out right. आपके love dynamic में, जिसके लिए you are advised to hold on to yourself, to the strength that you have. And they're saying, do pray, do manifest, do call out. You will receive what you're asking for, and justice shall be served. So जिसके बारे में भी आप ये रीडिंग आपके साथ अगर रेजोनेट कर रही है, और जिसको सोच कर आप रीडिंग देख रहे हैं, that person is going to come around. Hands down, with the Ace of Cups at the bottom of the deck, that person is going to come around. So you have nothing to worry. Nothing to worry. Just give time. Don't push it, because जितना हम push करते हैं उतना वो difficult हो जाता है. Okay, so you don't have to push anything. You just have to go with the flow. Trust your intuition, trust your higher self. Let go of the illusions. Know that you are extraordinarily blessed, and you're open and willing to give and receive love equally, in the, so you're basically open to giving and receiving love, right? So let's move on, and let's see what are the loving words of Father. So let's see what are the loving words of Father. What are the messages that the Father is trying to give you? You got the Ace of Cups. That's like love. That's like love. But for now, I think it's a little, it's paining. It's kind of hurting somebody, right? But that's okay. दवाई लेते हैं हम. We take the medicine, right? It might be bitter, but it works. So at times वो करना पड़ता है. आप कर रहे हैं, या maybe the other person is doing with you. That's to be seen. But yeah, you must carry on. Let's see what are the loving words of Father to close the reading. So if the reading resonates, guys, do give us a like and subscribe, and do share it if you want to. Father, show me messages that you need to see for the people watching. What is the advice, Father? What is the message you want to give the ones watching the reading? Love is difficult. Did someone say love is difficult? Somebody said that. And see how accurate it is. According to your faith, be it unto you. So it's also about love. It's also about that जितना आप अपने partner को, or the one you're in relationship with, could be your current energy, could be your energy, right? जितना आप faith के साथ, trust के साथ, move करेंगे, चलेंगे, उतना it's going to come to you. That is what Father is saying, and he's saying that it's completely on to you. That Ace of Cups can be yours. This truly can be yours, because it's all depending upon you. With Raphael and Raziel saying the same thing, you got amazing potential. Just know that. Experience that peaceful harmony within you, right? Instead of seeking it outside, see it within you with strength, with courage, without any hesitation, by staying focused and sending loving vibes. So, okay, this is what I have for you. So if the reading resonates, do give us a like and subscribe, and I shall see you the next time. Till eternity. Bye.